An example for class A address can be, let us have 10.50.120.7. Now, how will you say that this is a class A address? Why it is class A address? The answer is, we have to see the first octet. The first octet should belong from 1 to 127. Actually not 127, it should be 1 to 126. 127 is used for the loopback. So the first octet we are talking about, it can range from 1 to 126, as I said. Alright. So just see the first octet. This 10, when you see, oh, it is between 1 to 127. So this is a class A address. 127 we don't assign, as I just indicated earlier. We just see from 1 to 126. The first octet is 10, so it is belonging to class A address. And the other part, which is 10.120.7, is what? It is a host address. So there can be multiple network that is decided by 10, and 50.1.120.7 is deciding what is the host, what is the computer, what is the tablet inside that particular network. So if you have two devices or multiple devices, if they are on the same network, the first number of the IP address starting from the left or the leftmost bit combination, which is whatever combination decimal it becomes, it has to be between 1 to 126. So if I write a number 10.47.8.4, the first number is 10, the second of the both IPs. That means these two IPs are of the host of the same network, similar network. Don't worry about the next three octets. If I write 11.5.4.3, if we see the first octet, first decimal number, one is 10, one is 11. So this 11.5.4.3 is not belonging to the same network as 10.50.120.7. Okay. So if 10.1 is this in this network, 11 will be in some other network.